Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the January 2026 bargain bead box to share with you all today. Mine just came today. It's a little bit later than usual again for the second month in a row. I don't know, I assumed last month it was because of the holidays. I don't know, maybe the post office is still delivering holiday packages. I don't know. But it came today. And I know y'all have probably already seen this in other unboxing videos, and you probably already got yours, but I still wanted to unbox it with you all because it's lonely to unbox it by myself. I have a coupon code for the bargain bead box. It's Teresa2, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to the page to sign up for the subscription if you're interested. The coupon will save you $2 off your first box if you sign up. So it looks like I've been very careful to avert my eyes and not look at any of the other unboxing videos because I wanted to be surprised. So it's going to be a surprise to me, although I'm sure it won't be to you all. Looks like the theme is Arctic Aurora. This month's palette is inspired by the beauty of the northern lights. The shifting colors of abalone mix with plated druzy agate, blue apatite, and lots of sparkling crystal and glass accents. We love the little snow quartz polar bears. Silver finished findings, including beautiful stainless steel pendants and star-spangled chain, complete the collection. That sounds like it's going to be pretty. Of course, it's always pretty. Down under here is your 30% off coupon that you get every month that you can use in their sister store, Bead Box Bargains, and you can use it as many times as you want to during the month. And they already have amazing prices. And then on the back is everything that's in the box. Wow, there's a lot of things. 22 items here. Estimated retail value is $97.28. That's awesome to get that much, to get this much for, I think it's $24.99 now or something. I'm not sure. It comes out of my bank account automatically, so I don't know exactly the amount, but I'm pretty sure it's less than $25. So that's really awesome to get that much for, to get this much for that kind of price. It's a great value. I'm going to dump some of it out here and see, take a little peek, and then I'll sort everything out. Look at that big pendant. Abalone shell, fancy oval pendant. Beautiful beads there. So hold on, I'll sort everything out and I'll be back. Okay, I've got everything sorted out now, and the first thing is this really beautiful pendant I saw. I didn't see the front of it, I just saw that part, but I knew it was going to be beautiful. It's a abalone shell fancy oval pendant. That's just beautiful. Got the little bell on it there. It's really, really pretty. This box is full of really, really pretty stuff. Of course, it always is, but I think this box is exceptionally pretty. And then next is a 27 by 23 millimeter stainless steel mountain scene pendant. That's just really pretty. The mountains there and the moon up at the top. That's what the back looks like. It's really, really pretty. And then next is a 15-inch strand of 8 millimeter plated druzy agate beads in green iris. A lot of druzy agate beads. It's really, really pretty. And then next is a 7-inch strand of 8 millimeter Malaysia jade, parentheses dyed quartz, English cut beads in Capri blue. And those are beautiful. Such a pretty color of blue. Next is a 7-inch strand of 3mm blue apatite faceted round beads. Some little tiny gemstone beads. It's really, really beautiful. And then next is a 7.5-inch strand of 6mm synthetic moonstone glass beads. Those are really pretty. They look like they glow. Those are really, really beautiful. And then next is a 10-inch strand of 5.5mm English cut crystal beads in indigo AB. Really pretty. Love the English cut. Another really pretty color of blue. And then next is a 7.5-inch strand of 15 by 12mm glass Baroque beads in vitriol. And oh my goodness, these are so pretty. These are just gorgeous. Really, really beautiful. And then next is a 14-inch strand of 4mm crystal triangle beads in light violet AB. It's really pretty. Sparkly. And then next are 12 pieces, 10 by 9mm star cut faceted round crystal beads in slate vitriol. These are some big chunky beads. I don't know if y'all hear that, but Lily's laying over here and she's snoring again. She's asleep. She's snoring. Those are just really, really pretty. And then next is a 7.5-inch strand of 8mm crystal faceted coin beads in indigo iris. Those are just really, really beautiful. Love how they're faceted on the sides there like that. It's really, really beautiful. And then next are 6 pieces, 10mm rhinestone round beads in teal sparkle. These are just gorgeous too. My goodness, those are pretty. with a good name, Teal Sparkle. They definitely sparkle. Y'all know I love sparkly things. And then next are 20 pieces of 8mm patterned glass beads in blue-green iris. And those are just so pretty. It's a really, really cool pattern. Really, really pretty. And then next are the polar bears they were talking about. 2 pieces of 12 by 18mm snow quartz polar bear beads. These little guys are cute. The hole goes through there like that. The cute little polar bears. And then next are 2 pieces of 15mm cut glass crystal teardrops in vitriol. They're just really, really pretty. Like a pretty pair of earrings. It's the back. The hole is front to back. There. Really pretty little teardrops. Just all kinds of colors in there. And then next are 50 pieces 4mm brass stardust spacer beads. Those are just really pretty. Stardust spacer beads. Really, really pretty. And then next are 10 grams of 5mm star spacer beads. These are little stars. They've got a pretty big hole. You might could get those on some leather if you wanted to. Really pretty. And then next are 2 pieces stainless steel moonlit forest charms. Those are really pretty. The back. Those are really, really pretty. make some pretty earrings. And then next are 2 pieces of 29mm twinkling star charms. Oh, that's really cool. Those are really, really neat. And then next are 2 pieces, 14 by 19mm North Star links. Oh, that's neat. They've got the loop at the top and the bottom there, so you make them into links. Well, not make them into links, they are links. Really, really pretty. And then next are 2 pieces, brass magnetic clasps with stainless steel charms. These are really neat. They've got a little moon on one side and a star on the other side. And that's a pretty good, strong magnet. And 2 of those. And they were sticking to each other. Really pretty. And then last is 18 inches of 6mm stainless steel star chain. And this is so pretty. Such a pretty chain. Really, really cool. And that's everything. So hold on, I'll get everything together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in the January 2026 bargain bead box called the Arctic Aurora collection. Some really beautiful beads. Of course, there are always beautiful beads and findings in the bargain bead box. Like I said, I know y'all probably had seen all this already, but I really appreciate y'all keeping me company while I unbox mine. And like I said, if you're not subscribed to the box and you decide you want to be, that coupon code will save you $2 off your first box if you sign up. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.